So this is the power supply box. When the first person to come in, right, they have to switch it on. So green is off. So you need to push the black lever up as well as the orange. So it turns red, right? So this means that the power is on for all the machines in the room. That's it. So at the end of the day, you will need to pull it down as well to switch it off. Right. So this is the sole pressing machine. After we have attached the sole, the outsole of the shoe, while it's still warm, we need to use the sole pressing machine to actually press the sole down. So you can turn on the switch. Yes. Put the shoe last inside. Close the cover. Lift it. So while pressing, if there's any emergency, what you can do is you can push the emergency lock, so it will stop the process in the midst of it. And then the outsole is actually pressed down firmly already in place of hammering.